No kitchen is complete without a mixer, but deciding which one is the right one for your needs can be a challenge. In this video, we'll go over the different styles of mixers available, as well as the benefits that go along with each type. By the end, you should have a better idea of which one is right for you. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to click the link in the description after the video to see our entire selection. There's two main categories of mixers: hand mixers and stand mixers. I'll start with hand mixers. These are exactly what they sound like: a mixer that you hold in your hand to operate. They're more compact than a stand mixer, and they're easier to handle because of their lighter weight. They'll have two spots to fit attachments like whisks and dough hooks, and they can be found in either cordless or corded options, although we recommend corded so you don't have to worry about your battery running out in the middle of preparing your food. Plus, they'll work with almost any sized bowl. Just like stand mixers, they'll have variable speeds to choose from, but these aren't as powerful as a stand mixer, so they may not be the best option if you're trying to mix thick batters. And they tend to splash more, so you may want to keep an apron handy. Then we've got stand mixers. These are larger, a lot heavier, and much more powerful, and you can find them in two different styles: bowl lift and tilt head. Bowl lift models lift the bowl into place while the head of the mixer stays in one spot. Tilt head models are the opposite. The bowl stays in one spot, and you tilt the head of the mixer down into it. Bowl lift models are, in most cases, the more powerful of the two. Tilt head models still give you a stronger motor than hand mixers will, but because of their design, they aren't quite as powerful as the bowl lift models. The big benefit of their design is that they'll generally fit on a countertop under a cabinet. The bowl lift models tend to be taller, which is something to think about depending on where you plan to store your mixer. Another benefit of a stand mixer, either style, is their wide selection of accessories and colors. There's attachments for rolling pasta, grinding meat, making ice cream, even juicing. So they're extremely versatile. And there's an almost endless selection of colors to choose from to match any kitchen style. As far as sizes go, typical stand mixers can be anywhere from 3.5 to 8 quarts. The more you prepare, and the more people you prepare for, can help determine what size to get. If you're typically making double and triple batches of your recipe and you make a lot of bread, you'll want to go with a 5 to 8 quart model. If you're just sticking with a single batch of whatever you're preparing, or you're only baking for a couple of people, then a 3.5 to 5 quart model should be good. So that's a quick rundown of the types of mixers we carry here at Apt. If you still have questions, or you need help finding the right one, be sure to contact our experts here at the store. We are always happy to help. Thanks for watching.